Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to walk you through today's lesson. And this chapter, we are going to get really busy on working on subtraction. And so similar to what we did last chapter when we had 3 steps to solve an addition problem, very similar, but we have 4 steps when we solve a subtraction problem. We add 1 step in right at the very beginning where the first thing you have to do is check and see if you have enough in the ones column to actually subtract. So this first problem says, how do you subtract 26 from 53? So 26 has a 6 in the ones column and 53 has a 3. So the first thing we do is we look and see if there's enough ones to subtract. So do I have enough to take away 6? And the answer is no. There's only 3 there, so I can't take 6 out. So what I have to do is go to step 2. If there's not enough ones to regroup, then I have to take a 10, break it apart into ones, regroup it over to the ones column. And once I've done that, now I can go ahead, subtract 6 ones. And the way we do subtraction with these pictures is we cross them off. So we'd cross off, I have enough to cross off 6 ones now. Then I would subtract the 10s. And in this case, in 26, there's 2 10s. So I'd take away 2 10s by crossing them off. And then there's a 5th step here where I just count how many are left now. So there's 2 10s left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So the answer would be 27. 26 from 53 is 27. So let's look at one now and let's actually do one together. We're going to take 14 from 43. So one of the things you might want to do, without getting too far ahead of ourselves, is we will at some point learn how to stack and subtract. And for me, it's a little bit easier if I look at it, if I rewrite the problem and look at it this way. And so I'm looking that I need to take 4 ones. Remember, that's the first step. See, do I have enough ones? Do I take 4 ones away? And there's only 3 here. So I am definitely going to have to regroup a 10 and move this 10 into 10 ones over here. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to just change that to 10 ones, just like that. Okay, so now I look and see I've got 13 ones and 3 10s. Now I have enough. And again, I'm going to just take away by crossing off. So I need to take away 4 ones. So I would just cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my 4th step is I'm going to take away the 10s. I'm going to cross off a 10. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look how many 10s are left. There's 2 10s. Well, I'm not very good at writing with my mouse. 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. 2 10s and 9 ones are what I have left. So the answer is 29. 14 from 43 is 29. And again, the first thing I did was I checked the ones to see if we have enough. If there's enough, you can just go ahead and subtract the ones and then the 10s. But if there's not, you have to regroup a 10 so you do have enough ones to take those away. All right, good luck and really pay attention when you do your lesson today. Now, how do I stop the video? There it is. Stop the video and